Kill me.
If you get hurt trying that, you deserve it.
I know.
Wrong trick. Spencer, back him up on the grossest trick. God, you wish so bad.
Counts. Why does it keep happening?
Here comes Spencer with the ugliest trick known to skateboarding.
This is a dumb trick anyways. Woo! That counts, baby!
At least you know.
Street League 9.8.
Okay, that's enough.
I'm really cool. It's crazy.
That's enough.
God damn it!
So a lot of you guys have been asking me about the 3-flip tip that I posted on my Instagram story. And that Spencer's back, you guys. Look, it's my first time seeing Spencer in 2 weeks that he's been back from fuck your cousinville.
Did you see how I panned to you and he immediately tried to get like in the shot anyways? Like I'm like at you and here comes Dale's head just like and
Anyway, so I learned an amazing secret slash hack for 3-flips that Tanner Lawler taught me. And as all of you know, I struggle with this trick. I've struggled with this trick ever since I started skating. But I learned something so valuable. What is that thing you're probably asking and living in such suspense right now? Dan's shaking his head no. Just get on with it. Anyway, okay, so if you put your foot farther back on the tail, the higher the trick pops. If you put your foot higher up on the tail, like in the pocket, the harder the trick spins. The harder, the more, the faster. What Tanner taught me was, if you put your foot in the middle of the tail with your big toe hanging slightly off and just scoop it, don't even worry about the front foot, just scoop it like behind and forward, like this kind of motion, kind of like back that ass up, smack it, you know, bend it over.
you're like Aaron Cairo with swear words.
He's like that rated R Aaron.
Yeah, he is. We'll call you Daly because you're like Brayley, but like a little bit more raunchy.
Brayley?
Daly, because your name's Dale. Brayley. It's not Brayley. What is it?
Braille.
Oh.
No, you can just call him Dale.
Okay, Dale, but then not
you
with-
can spell it like D-A-I-L-L.
Yeah, there you go.
You guys, my
Fucking
name's
read.
Dale. We're from the Los Angeles metro area, and I'm a... What does he say?
I have no idea.
Anyway, yeah, so that's the secret. This is the foot stance. Keep it simpler.
You better keep this Aaron Cairo talking shit in the fucking video. I'm gonna be so bummed if you take it
I'm not
out.
talking shit. What's he say? What's
I
it
am.
called? Skateboarding made simple? Skateboarding made simpler. Suck that, Aaron. Also, too, if you keep your front foot, I've heard, and I have the experience, if you keep it lower,
See, he's not using the secret.
he's not using the secret. It's like that book.
Yeah, he's been using Braille tips. Wow.
I was giving you a before picture.
Oh, yeah.
This is after. Wow, that was actually the best shave I've ever seen you do.
I told you, I found out.
He has a secret. Have you not been listening to this video, Spencer?
One fucking secret, and it has changed my goddamn life. Not even my life, just my 3-flips. Which might as well be my life. We got 2 in a row? Yep.
He just yupped
Remember all
himself.
those times? You remember all those days? Oh, Dale, you suck at tray flips. I'm gonna kill you. You said all those words, and now I can do them.
And now nothing's changed. I can just do tray flips.
Still gonna kill you.
Let's say this one more time. Put your foot in the middle of the board, hang your big toe like halfway off. So not the bend, not in the knuckle of your toe, but just the big part, hang it halfway off. Send me feet pictures so I know that it's...
Yeah,
I know you're doing it right.
naked foot pictures, please.
Yeah.
No socks, please.
Yo, someone, when I first started my channel, someone used to comment, he's like, he used to comment on every video saying, let me see your feet. I don't know where he's at.
Have you showed him
If
your
that
feet
guy's
yet?
still out there, comment. We might be able to work something out. There's another new skate park in Southern California. What do you know? We're so fortunate to live here with all the skate parks that always constantly pop up. But anyway, what?
He's the way that you're spacing your words and stuff like that, it seriously sounds like you're a pastor. But it's like, we are so blessed by the new skate parks that we have. Let's take a moment to appreciate. Please open your Thrasher to page 26. as we give thanks to Paul Rodriguez's switchback tails.
And apparently it's amazing. Dan was there yesterday. That's where we're going. Do I sound like a pastor still?
No, you're back to YouTube guy.
Okay, cool. I like how it's like through both of these fences, and it feels like a DIY.
I was saying that the other day. The skate park like has a DIY feel to it. Like the concrete's made really well, but it's like the way it's kind of spread out and scattered. It's very like it's got good vibes. Good vibes, dude.
It's not too packed. It's like 10:30 in the morning, and there's this many people here already. All right, well, there's gonna be no skating the handrails. Dan's been getting mad a lot lately, so I'm giving motivational speeches after every try so he doesn't get mad. This might seem ironic to you, but this is actually working. Do you see that smile on his face? It's working. Positive versus positive, or negative versus positive. Manifest your destiny. There is light in the dark. There's no reason to complain. We live in a prosperous country with equal opportunity for everyone.
All I could think about was CBD that whole time.
You know, CBD, holistic living, mind over matter, all that. Just apply those concepts, you're good. So I feel obligated to tell you why I didn't get more footage at the park. It's because I got stuck filming Dan for a long time, which is actually fine. I'm not even like bummed about it, but I just feel I just feel obligated to tell you. So I only had like 30 minutes to try and get stuff, so I was just trying easier shit so I could stack rather than just get one clip. The park actually isn't even open yet, and it doesn't open officially for another week. It's super packed because everyone knows that it's there, so everyone's going there and skating it, and there were also workers working on everything. So every time I would move to a new obstacle, they would just happen to move to the exact obstacle that I went to next.
They were like gigantic high-vis skate stoppers. Literally, we're like, oh, I want to skate this bump ledge because no one's skating it. And as he's pushing away, a guy starts waxing the ledge, and I just started laughing hysterically. Then, as he goes, like Dale goes to take his first try, someone else gets in front of him, skates the same ledge, and then as Dale's turning around, they like go back and try again. Another random kid backsmiths the ledge that he wanted to backsmith like right in his fucking face.
Yeah.
And then Dale just looks at me, was just like, it was like the saddest smile I've ever seen. Like it was just like a disappointing grin. Like
nobody was skating that in the park, and then all of a sudden,
you spoke it into existence. The moment was funny for me, and the moment it probably wasn't that funny.
No, I thought it was funny. I did. I thought it was funny because I'm like, how in the hell does this happen?
Yeah, you couldn't win today.
Okay, so I made a community post about this yesterday on YouTube, and I posted both on the Slammin' Instagram and my personal Instagram that tonight at midnight, the Slammin' website will be closing for the fall drop. So if you made any purchases from yesterday morning until midnight tonight, if you're watching this before midnight, orders will still be accepted. But after midnight, the website will be closing. Saturday, November 24th is when the holiday capsule will be released. There's gonna be 3 items. I'm also getting the pants next week, so those will be releasing soon also, along with the program t-shirt and along with a t-shirt at BLUETILE. I didn't want to drop too much on the website because I'm already dropping a shirt at BLUETILE and I'm already dropping a shirt at program along with the pants, so that's like a handful of items right there. I didn't want it to be like too big and like overwhelm people. But seriously, thank you guys all so much for the support. This last drop was insanely successful. You guys have no idea how stoked that I am on it, and I'm really stoked that everyone was satisfied with their purchase. I got a lot of comments and tags about people just being really hyped on their gear. So thank you guys so much. I'm really excited, and I'm excited to go more in this direction. I know I've been talking about this for a long time, but I'm really
taking some like real life steps that I'm going to be updating you guys on within the next few days towards making this more of a brand and more of a possibility. And it kind of involves like, I guess, some more personal stuff in my life. Like a lot of stuff has been going on, so that's kind of why this video wasn't super like over edited, kind of like how the last few weeks have been. I've just had a lot of things going on, and it's a big change, and I'm gonna be telling you guys about that a lot in the next few days. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it's definitely a change. It's a big change. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.